First, if this is your icon uh, and these are your strokes, you need to make sure they are grouped and flattened. So you make a union out of these and then flatten the union. So there's only one stroke that you can directly select. Make sure the union does not have anything inside of it. It's flat, it's completely flat. Then you double click on this to select the fill. Command slash to open the menu, open fill rule editor plugin, and convert this from an even odd rule to a non-zero rule by clicking on the fill here. And you see that this part inside, the inside of the circle is now filled. What you can do is click on this path to reverse it, and then this gets fixed in non-zero rule as well. If you click on this again, it gets converted into even odd rule, and then it's fixed for you like, forever.